Hello everyone, myself Vinay Kumaram. I am pursuing PhD in physics. So in this particular YouTube channel, I'll be teaching physics, chemistry and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard. So if you want to learn physics, chemistry and mathematics, then please do subscribe to my channel. So in my previous videos, I had started the third chapter in 10th standard mathematics that was based on pair of linear equations in two variables. So I have explained graphical method and also the examples and exercise connected to that. And I have also explained about substitution method and I have explained examples. So in this particular video, we will be solving the exercise questions related to substitution method. So the next exercise which we will be solving here is exercise 3.2. So in exercise 3.2, we'll move into the first question. In the first question, you have one pair of equation. That is x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. So this you can call as equation 1 and this you can call as equation 2. Now here we'll consider equation 2. So consider equation 2. So that equation 2 I'll be writing as x is equal to 4 plus y. So this minus y what is there in equation 2, I am taking that to RHS. So that becomes x is equal to 4 plus y. So now this you can call as equation 3. So now the x value what you have got in equation 3, that is 4 plus y, this you will be substituting in the x value which is there in equation 1. So that's why this is known as substitution method. So substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So here we'll substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So now we have to substitute. So what was equation 1? Equation 1 was x plus y is equal to 14. So in the place of x, we need to substitute equation 3. So this is the place of x. What was there in equation 3? In equation 3, we had x is equal to 4 plus y. So here, I'll be writing 4 plus y. So now you can remove the bracket. So it will be 4 plus y is equal to 14. So plus y is plus 2y is equal to 14. So now here you can take this 4 to RHS. So when you take 4 to RHS, then 2y is equal to 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So now we are getting y value as plus 5. Now we will solve for x. So here y is equal to 5. Now we will consider the same first equation. So first equation was x plus y is equal to 14. Now you can substitute y value in this. So substitute y is equal to 5 in equation 1. So when you substitute that, then what will be your equation 1? X plus 5 is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 minus 5. So when you do 14 minus 5, you will get 9. So the value for x is 9 and the value for y is 5. So here x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. This is the solution for the first question. So now we will move to the second question in the same first question. So in the second question, you have s minus t is equal to 3. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So this you can call as equation 1 and this you can call as equation 2. So now we will consider equation 1 because equation 1 is simple. So you can just take 1 and this s minus t is equal to 3. In this minus t you can bring to RHS. So s will be equal to 3 plus t. So this you can call as equation 3. So now we have got the equation for s. So s is equal to 3 plus t. Now this s value you can substitute in equation 2. So here substitute this equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So when you do that, then what will be your equation 2? So equation 2 will be in the place of s you have to substitute 3 plus t. So 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So this we will write in the new slide. So 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So that is the equation which we have here. So now here we will try to solve this. First you have to take the LCM of 3 and 2. So now LCM is 6. So you can just multiply this with 6 and also this with 6. So when you do that, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 3 plus t into 2 plus here 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 3 into t whole divided by 6 is equal to 6. So now 3 this 2 you have to multiply to both 3 and for t. So 3 twos are 6 plus 2 into t is 2t plus 3t divided by 6 is equal to 6. So now here 3t plus 2t plus 3t is 5t. So 6 plus 5 times t divided by 6 is equal to 6. So now we will write this in new slide. So 6 plus 5t, the 6 which was there in denominator, I will take that to RHS. So then it becomes 6 into 6, that is nothing but 36. So now 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. So 5t is equal to, this is 5. So 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. So 36 minus 6 means it is 30. So 5t is equal to 30. So t is equal to 30 by 5. So 30 by 5 means it is 6. So now you have got t value as 6. So t is equal to 6. Substitute this value, that is t is equal to 6 in equation 1. So in equation 1 what we had? So in equation 1 we had s minus t is equal to 3. So don't get confused. This is s, this is 5. So s minus t is equal to 3. So what is the value for t? T is 6. So s minus 6 is equal to 3. So this minus 6 if you bring to RHS it becomes plus 6. So s is equal to 3 plus 6, that is nothing but 9. So here you are getting s as 9 and you got t as 6. So s is equal to 9, t is equal to 6 is the solution for this second question. So now the third question in first question is easy, so you can solve on your own. Now we will be moving to the fourth question in first question. So in the fourth question you have 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, and in the second equation you have 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So now we have two equations in this fourth question. So this you can call as equation 1 and this you can call as equation 2. So now let's consider equation 1 itself. So equation 1 is equal to 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Now you can bring this 0.3 to RHS. So when you do that, 0.2x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y. So x is equal to this 0.2, if you bring to RHS it goes to the denominator. So 1.3 minus 0.3 y divided by 0.2. So this you can call as equation 3. So now you can substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So the x value what you have got here, this will substitute in this equation 2 x value. So now when you do that, you can just write substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So when you substitute equation 3 in equation 2, then what will be your equation 2? So equation 2 will be 0.4 into whatever the value you have here in the RHS, you have to substitute. So that is 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. So now plus 0.5y is there. So plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So is equal to 2.3. So now in the next step what you can do is, so after getting this, we'll just subtract this. So 0.2 ones are 0.2, 0.2 twos are 0.4. So now 2 will be there outside bracket. So 2 into 1.3 minus 0.3y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So now here this 2 you have to multiply to 1.3 and this 2 you should also multiply to this 0.3y. So 2 into 1.3 will give you 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So 2.6 minus 3 2s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. So 0.6 y plus 0.5 y is equal to 2.3. Now here what you can do, 2 minus 0.6 plus 0.5 is there, so that is nothing but minus 0.1 y, because here you can take y common, so inside bracket you will have 0.6 minus 0.5. Why here minus 0.5 I am taking? Because here minus y I am taking common. So when I take minus y common, so from this plus y I am taking minus y common, so that's why inside bracket minus will be there. So 0.6 minus 0.5 will be 0.1. This is equal to 2.3. So 2.6 minus y in the bracket you will have 0.1 is equal to 2.3. 0.1 into minus y, you will get minus 0.1 y. So 2.6 minus 0.1 y is equal to 2.3. So this minus 0.1 y you can take to RHS. This 2.3 you can take to LHS. So when you do that, here you will get 2.6 minus 2.3 is equal to 0.1 y. So now 2.6 minus 2.3 will give you 0.3. So here 2.6 minus 2.3 is giving 0.3 is equal to 0.1 y. So now I will just interchange this. So 0.1 y is equal to 0.3. Now you can take this 0.1 to RHS. So when you do that, y is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.1. So here you can just multiply both numerator and denominator with 10. So when you do that, you will get 3 by 1. Always remember, if you are multiplying a particular number to numerator, the same number should be multiplied to denominator. How it is correct? Because here I can cancel 10 and 10 and again you will get 0.3 by 0.1. So that's why the value which you are multiplying in the numerator, the same value you have to multiply in the denominator as well. So now I am multiplying 10 to numerator, so 10 only I am multiplying in the denominator as well. When I do that, I will get 3 by 1. So here y value I am getting as 3. So let us keep y is equal to 3 like that. So substitute, here you can substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 1. So now what was our equation 1? So in equation 1 we had 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. So this was the equation 1 which we had. So this y is equal to 3 I will be substituting in this equation 1. So when I do that, 0.2x plus in the place of y I will be substituting 3. So 0.3 into 3 is equal to 1.3. So 0.3 into 3 will give you 0.9. So 0.2x plus 0.9 is equal to 1.3. Now you can bring this 0.9 to RHS. So 0.2x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.9. So 1.3 minus 0.9 will give you 0.4. So now what is the x value? So x is equal to 0.4 divided by 0.2. So this 0.2 I am bringing to RHS, so it goes to the denominator. So again here I can multiply 10 to the numerator. If I multiply 10 to numerator, I have to multiply 10 to the denominator as well. So 0.4 into 10 will give 4. For 0.2 into 10 will give 2. So 4 by 2. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So x is equal to 2. So here we had got y is equal to 3 and now we are getting x as 2. So therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to, what was the value for y? Y was 3. So y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 is the solution for the fourth question in first question. So fifth question you can do on your own. Now I will be solving the sixth question. So in the same first question, I will be solving the sixth question. So in sixth question you have 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. And the second equation what you have is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So now using these two equations we have to calculate the values for x and y. So this you can call as equation 1 and this you can call as equation 2. So now I will consider equation 2 because equation 2 seems to be much simpler. So equation 2 I'll rewrite as, so this plus 5 by y by 2 I'll take to RHS. So it becomes minus y by 2. So equation 2 becomes x plus 3 is equal to 13 by 6 minus y by 2 will be there. Now this 3 I'll take to RHS. So it will become into 3. So x is equal to 3 into 13 by 6 minus y by 2. So this you can call as equation 3. So now you can substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So here we have equation 1. So substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So this equation 1 will write once again. So 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So in the place of x we will substitute equation 3. So that is x is equal to 3 into 13 by 6. So I will just write it over here. So x is equal to 3 into 13 by 6 minus y by 2. So this is what we have here. So that will substitute in this x. So 3 into 13 by 6 minus y by 2. So close both the brackets, whole divided by what is there in the denominator 2. So in the place of x I am substituting that. So minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So now here 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 into 13 by 6 minus y by 2 whole divided by 2. So this 9 you have to multiply to 13 by 6 and also to minus y by 2. So here minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So now here 9 into 13 by 6 is there. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 13 into 3 will be 39. In the denominator we will be having 2 minus y by 2 into 9. So minus 9y by 2. So whole divided by 2 is there. So whole divided by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So now here you can see here both of these terms have 2 in the denominator. Here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. So directly you can subtract the numerator. So 39 minus 9y divided by 2 whole divided by 2. So that means this 2 is also in the denominator, this 2 is also in the denominator. So it will become 2 into 2. So that will write in the next step. So minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2 is there. So here 39 minus 9y divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So now here you can solve this. So here 4 is there, here 3 is there. So you take LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12. So when you multiply this with 12, so 4 ones are 4, 3s are 12. So that 3 you have to multiply to 39. So 39 minus 9y minus here 3 into 12. So that is in the numerator into 12 will be there. That is the LCM. So 3 ones are 3, 4s are 12. So 4 into 5y. So 4 into 5y whole divided by LCM 12, which is equal to minus 2. So now 3 into 39 will give you 3 into 39 is 117. So 107. So here 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11. So 117 minus 9 3s are 27y minus 4 5s are 20y whole divided by 12 is equal to minus 2. So this 12 you can take to RHS, it becomes minus 2 into 12. So minus 2 into 12 is minus 24. So in the LHS you can write this numerator. So that is 117 minus 27. So here minus 27y minus 20y will be minus 27 minus 20 will give you minus 47. So directly I can write minus 47y. So 117 minus 47y is equal to minus 24. So this minus 47y you can take to RHS, this minus 24 you can take to LHS. Then it becomes 117 plus 24 is equal to 47y. So now I can just interchange this. So 47y is equal to 117 plus 24 will be 121, 141. So here 141 is there. So y is equal to 141 divided by 47. So here you can see 47 ones are 47 threes are 141, because 47 into 3 will be generally 50 into 3 is 150, but here we have to take 47. So 3 less than 50. So that means minus 9 you have to do to 150, then you will get 141. So that is just a simple technique. So here 47 ones are 47 threes are, because 47 into 3 will give you 141. So that's why 47 ones are 47 threes are 141. So what is the value for y? So value for y is equal to 3. So now this value you can substitute in equation 2. So substitute this y is equal to 3 in equation 2. I'll not take 1, I'll take equation 2, because equation 2 is much more simpler. So y is equal to 3 in equation 2 we have to substitute. What is equation 2? So in equation 2 we have x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So this is there in equation 2. Y you can substitute as 3. So x by 3 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So this 3 by 2 you can take to RHS. So x by 3 will be 13 by 6 minus 3 by 2. So here again you can take LCM of 6 and 2. So when you take LCM of 6 and 2, it will be 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So 3 2s are 6. So LCM is 6. So that means here you have to multiply this with 6. So 6 gets cancelled with each other. So only 13 will be remaining. So here also you can multiply 6. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3 into 3 is 9, whole divided by LCM 6. So 13 minus 9 is 4. So 4 by 6 will be remaining. So now here we have x by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So this 3 you can take to RHS, it will become into 3. So x is equal to 4 by 6 into 3. So here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So that is 2. So finally we are getting x as 2 and y as 3. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 is the solution for this sixth question in first question. So now we will move to the second question in this exercise 3.2. So in this second question, you have two equations. Using that two equations, you have to find out x and y. After that, you have to substitute that x and y in another equation and you have to find out m value in that equation. So the first equation what they have given here is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So this is the first equation. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So this is the second equation which they have given. So we'll consider this as first equation and this as second equation. Now using substitution method, you can just take the first equation. So we'll rewrite first equation. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. So this 3y I am taking to RHS, it becomes minus 3y. So x is equal to this 2, when it comes to RHS, it goes to the denominator. So 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So now here, this you can call as equation 3. So this equation 3 you can substitute in equation 2. So substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So what was your equation 2? So equation 2 we have 2x. So in the place of x we will substitute this minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So in the place of x we have to substitute this value, that is 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So now here we have 2 into 11 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 4. So minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So here 2 gets cancelled with each other. So 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So minus 4y minus 3y will be minus 7y is equal to minus 24. This 7y you can take to RHS, this minus 24 you can take to LHS. So then it becomes 11 plus 24 is equal to 7y. So that is nothing but 7y is equal to 11 plus 24 is 35. So here y is equal to 35 divided by 7. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So therefore we are getting y value as 5. So here we got y as 5. Now we will try to find out x. So this you can substitute in equation. So substitute y is equal to 5 in equation 1. What was equation 1? Here equation 1 was 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So in the place of y I am substituting 5. So 2x, 5 3s are 15 is equal to 11. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 15, that is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, that is nothing but minus 2. So therefore x we are getting as minus 2 and y is 5. So here we got x as minus 2 and y as 5. The equation which they have given here is y is equal to mx plus 3. So y is equal to mx plus 3. So we have to substitute x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So this value what you have here, this you need to substitute. So this you need to substitute in y is equal to mx plus 3 and you have to find out the value for m. So here this y is equal to mx plus 3. In the place of y I will be substituting 5 is equal to m minus 2. In the place of x I am substituting minus 2 plus 3. So plus 3 when you bring to LHS it becomes 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m, because minus 2 into m is minus 2m. So 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to minus 2m. So you can just take this minus 2m to LHS, it will become plus 2m. You can take 2 to RHS, it will become minus 2. So here 2m is equal to minus 2. So m is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. So that is nothing but minus 1. So the value for m in this second question is minus 1. So this is all there in this particular video. The first and second question in exercise 3.2 I have solved in this particular video. The third question which is there in exercise 3.2 that I will be solving in my next video, because there are 5 questions in third question. We have to analyze each question and extract equations from it, and then we have to find out x and y value. So that I will be doing in the next video. Until then, if you want to learn more physics, chemistry and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.